Fine.
You are not visible, me, bro. Hello.
So,
You are not visible. Me do something.
Visual.
Yeah, yeah. You are visible now.
Okay. So finally, good morning.
Yes, good morning.
Morning. How are you?
Yes. What did you say?
How are you, brother?
Yes, I'm fantastic. How about you?
I'm also good. Thank you for asking. So
Yeah.
how is there? How is the weather
Yes.
there? How is the weather there?
It, today weather is very bad. That's I'm aware.
Actually, you're yeah, right. I can see. I can see. So today, so we are first meeting. So I'd like to something about yourself.
Okay. Let's me introduce. Okay. My name is Ajay. I studied in class 9. There are 5 members at my home. I am from Jharkhand. My district name is Sahibganj. That all about me. So
Thank you so
please
much.
introduce yourself.
Yeah, of course, brother. So, well, my name is Lucky. I'm from New Delhi, but I'm currently live in Gurgaon, and I'm working person right now. And if I talk about my qualification, I have done graduation 2012. That's all about me.
Oh. So you
I
speak
think,
very well.
yeah, yeah, right. I think you are like a Jadoo brother blazer.
Yes. Yeah, we are
And
belong same. Yeah, same.
video also like with Jadoo brother. And
Your voice is not coming.
are you getting my point?
No, no, your voice is not coming clean.
Okay. I'm also saying I am told you you are Jadoo friends. So
Yes, I'm Jadu's friend.
mostly you're making mostly video also with Jadoo. With
Yes, you are
Jadoo.
right. Yeah.
So you are I think you are famous this time YouTuber. And
Yes, I'm famous because of
I
Jadu.
I watch your like so many video, and I think I found your passion, and I think your English. So your English so good. English
No,
so
no, I
good. So brother, I think I have question for you because you are studying in 9th class. So how about your difficulty studying in class? Which subject you like most, and which subject you are not like?
first of all, I would be like to tell you I don't like math because I don't
Math.
know.
Why?
Yeah, only I like science and mm, English. It's my favorite
English.
viषय. Yeah.
English is yeah. You are I'm seeing you because you are passionate to English language. That's why your choice also English. That's nice. So brother, when you start this journey, and when you feel like I'm not comfortable, I'm boring, and I decide I make a video and some and show you whole country what I am and I can see.
Oh, when did I learn this language? When did I start this learning this language?
Yeah.
So I have spent for learning this language 6 7 months. You can consider. So 6 7 months ago, I didn't anything about this language. So my friend, Jadu, he had been learning this language since 1 year. You can consider motivated me for learning this language. So I'm speaking now. You can listening.
Yeah, right, brother. Yeah, brother, I think Jadoo brother also motivates so many like a boy also. They have
Yeah,
studying in I am studying 10 class, and they are motivate for only for because Jadu brother, they have they came background like a poor family. They have no source of like education. They have no source of like money. They only touch your heart. People also touch your heart, and feel like, oh my God, I'm not comfortable. I'm only like wasting your time like watching movie like different kind. Why are not like speaking journey? So there are so many people also committed. I'm doing it, do it, and I think I speak English, and I think I start this journey. So this is very wonderful for you and me, because I'm learning English, and I decided like 2 months before I started this journey, and I'm not comfortable to face camera. I'm not comfortable to like any one person who are talking to me. So, but I feel very hesitation. But nowadays I'm comfortable because I'm daily basis conversation. I've done so many conversation. I feel like very proudly. So I think my English daily by day way improvement.
Oh, yes.
And I think
If
you are like a background. I think forest area, and which part of day like very very proudly, like your surrounding, which part of very proudly, and you feel like very comfortable.
oh, when I speak English very well, that time I feel very good. You can consider. And what will I tell you? But I know English little bit nowadays, so I'm feeling very good before then.
Right, right,
Yeah.
right. And like do you play like are you playing game or not?
Yes, evening time I play football. I like football.
Oh my
Yes.
God, football.
Yeah, I
And
like.
oh, most. And you like movie, and like actors like which like which actors like most? Bollywood actor.
Bollywood actor.
Yeah.
You can. Who will I tell you? Mm, you can. My favorite hero is Kesarlal Yadav in Bhojpuri,
Oh
but
my God.
Bollywood.
Bhojpuri. You know Bhojpuri?
Yeah,
Who
but
speak Bhojpuri?
Bollywood. Who will I tell you? Tiger
You know
Shroff.
Tiger
Yeah.
Shroff, yeah, yeah. You look like Tiger Shroff, because you are like face like something like different, but you face like Tiger Shroff also. So I wish you, and I think you are commit.
Okay, Tiger Shroff is now dance and he knows flip. Flip.
Yeah,
Yes. What will I tell you? Flip. I also know flip.
yeah,
Yeah,
right,
that's why
right.
I. Yeah.
Right.
He only jump. Jump.
Yeah,
Tiger Shroff. Yeah, I also jump. That's why I like him.
that's why I'm saying you. That's why I'm saying you, because you are like face yourself something like मिलता जुलता है, मिलता जुलता है.
No, no. What are telling a lie, bro? What are telling a lie?
Okay, so brother, mostly video like you are shooting like make video, your background like forest area. Why you are choosing this background? And mostly video, your video like a Jadu brother video also background like a different kind. Why you are choosing this background?
But we are belong forest area, so that's why we are make video only.
And I think you are forest area. you have no like a craze of like a English language, and they have only one mother tongue language. How to decide this language, and how about your idea come to your mind?
Oh, it is you can before all I told you, bro. He, I learned this language only because of Jadu. So Jadu motivated me.
Right,
Yes.
right. So you're
Yeah.
choosing uh, this platform also very good platform. If you learn this language, you can handle situation all thing, and you can manage everything. You can go like if you want to go abroad, if you want to go like South Africa, America, they have this time. You are like not facing this kind of things, because you are learning English, and mostly people also speak English language. They have no other language, don't know other language. That is a very beneficial for you and everyone. I think mostly like my country second language, official second language also English, and I think your mobile language also English, and robot science, they have so many in English language. So English is a very passionate to very important language. I think you are speak English, so your surrounding people also they respect
Yeah.
respect also. I think you are like a village area, and you speak English. So how think about like your blazer about you?
Yes, my village areas, there people. What will I tell you? There people tell you are you both are good work.
No, no.
Yeah.
Some people like say jealous you, because you are like a promoting of your job, promoting your skills. So I think nowadays like you are face like speaking any person so call you, and they are speaking that time. So people also like oh my god, what is speaking like this is, and why are you this language? But nowadays Jadu words are also popular, and they have like a news. You also putting my group, my group member. I'm your group member, you know.
Yeah.
And I put your news headlines. So I got your news headlines, and they have uh, so your then after your villager also like oh my god, Jadu also itni popular, oh my god, itni so many popular, and they have news akhbar, they have like a lot of things also. So these are very motivated.
Yeah, yeah. I think that some of the people are thinking, yeah, and some of the people get jealous of Jadu of saying.
But brother, I have like I'm open, and like I am suggest you. You are very good learning, and you are very good speaking, and you are like passionate to English language. Don't forget who are jealous you, who are encourage you. Don't worry. You are only for your goal. You looking. You are only for goal. Don't backbite. Don't back. So
Uh,
you can
I
suggest.
should.
Yeah,
You want to say. Uh, I I want to. I have to move only ahead.
yeah,
Yes. I don't have to move back.
yeah. Right. So I think more time I ask you a question. If you have any question for me, you can ask.
Yes, I have many questions for you. So
Okay,
only
you
you
can
speak.
ask.
How can
Okay,
I speak?
okay, you can
So
ask.
you speak very well. So how long have you been learning this language? Can you tell me how can I improve this language? Because you know that
Actually,
you.
my journey also, I have told you my journey 2 months before starting. 2
told me.
months before
Yeah,
starting this journey, I face many problems because my surrounding no speak very well and don't know like English language. That was very important. That's very challenges for me because so I got like so many video and YouTube, and they have motivate me. So I realize you have mobile phone, I can use this mobile phone and showing what is your ability, and I think this idea also beneficial for me, and I start and boosting my confidence and my level. So I decide this
I
journey
got.
and make video and upload my YouTube channel, and they have like showing what is the people reaction me. Yeah.
Uh, so tell me anything, bro.
Okay. Have you been in Delhi? Have you been visit Delhi?
No, no. Okay, it is my dream. One or other day, I will go there, but I
If you
haven't. Seen.
so if you get chance, what do you like to
Yeah,
visit
definitely will go
country?
there. Definitely.
Our own country.